Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to log out of your eToro.com account. To sign out or log out of eToro is quick and easy. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in eToro.com in the URL box. To log out of your existing account, all you need to do is to go to the left-hand corner and scroll down and find the logout button. Before logging out, make sure you remember your credential and your password for your account. Once you click the logout button, you'll be redirected to the main official homepage of eToro, from where you can log into your account anytime you want by entering your correct credentials. So that's it. That's how you easily sign out or log out of your eToro.com account, super quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.